Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First level I want to start off with is basically the general area that continues to reject the price downwards, and that is this trend line right here. It's not exact, but that's why they call it a trend line, because it just gives a general area of, like I said, what's essentially been the problem for this area going forward, and that's that general trend right there. I mean, you can see on several occasions now, starting there after that rejection, there's been plenty of bounces to the upside. The problem is each one of these bounces continues to get rejected lower and lower. So I'm not saying this level can't be broken, and I'm not saying it's totally hopeless. I'm just saying that until the price can kind of prove itself, and quote-unquote prove itself being defined and quantified as not only getting above that trend line, but closing up above it, then you still got to give the overall advantage to the bears. And again, I say closing up above it because right here, sure, the price was actually able to break the trend line, but when it came to being able to maintain above it and stay above it, that's where it failed. So it's really a two-part process. Get above the trend line, but then be able to stay up above it. So that is, without doubt, like I said, that main level of resistance going forward. Now, on the plus side, and on an encouraging note from the bullish side of things, when you look at where the lows have been, so I mean, you look at this set of lows right here, and the next set of lows, and then the next set of lows, and then the lows after today, it's become very apparent that these lows do keep getting higher and higher. Or if you envision those as stair steps, maybe that makes it easier to see. The point here being, it's not like it's all bears, just constantly pressing down the price. The bulls have been, flexing their muscles too via being able to build these higher bases. So there's definitely some nice little dynamics from that point going on too. From the overarching point of view in terms of supports, keep an eye on that pink line right there. That is just the famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period before, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. So that's definitely, like I said, kind of that overarching level of support. So all in all, definitely an interesting chart. Got a very big line in the sand in terms of resistance, but the bulls have been showing and proving themselves with those higher bases. So let's see if the price can get some sort of breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.